Hey everyone, it's Firefox here, and in today's video, we're going to be making a mini volcano! So, what you're going to need for this project is one of these. I'm using a box because I don't want to make a mess, and yeah. You're also going to need vinegar, soap, and baking soda. So, we're going to put this in here. We're going to add the vinegar. Next, you're going to add the soap. You could put as much vinegar as you want, but it also depends because each time it will also be bigger. Next, you're going to make it shake like this. Now, you're going to get a scoop of baking soda. What you're going to do is pour this in.
Grand finale.
Shake it up really quick and then let it go. And you just wait. And this happens.
Mini volcano.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You feel free to try this at home. It was easy, and if you guys want me to do other experiments, let me know in the comments below.